Where is the scrub brush I need? Goodness, where's the towels? How am I supposed to find anything in this mess?
I bet you say the same thing I say every time I go look for something in this cabinet. Where the heck is it? Let's fix that.
Just like the pantry organization, you don't need anything fancy. However, I did order this L shelving from Amazon and I actually like it. It feels durable and was super easy and quick to put together. I wasn't able to use both under the sink because it didn't fit one side, but that's okay. I'll use the extra one under the sink in the bathroom soon. If you decide you like this one and want to get it, it comes in black as well. Feel free to use the affiliate link in the description box below. Now, if you watch my pantry organization video, then you know I'm a tornado organizer. I have to take everything out of the space I'm working on and put it somewhere. Yes, it usually makes a mess, but it's okay. By the way, I linked the video to the pantry organization in the cards. Feel free to open up that in a new tab on your computer or save it to your watch later list so you can check it out after this video, if you like. Okay, back to the sink cabinet.
Wow, this was under my sink. All of this. I know this can be really overwhelming, but if you never start, it won't get done. So just start. Now, you don't have to pull everything out of the cabinet like I did. You can literally just sit there and pick up each thing and decide whether you want to keep it or toss it. I like to do it this way so I can get the job finished. And if it's a mess in my kitchen like it is right now, then I'm more likely to finish the task. And so that's just my preference. I'm a tornado cleaner, what can I say? All right, now let's finish the task. Now that everything is cleared out, let's go ahead and clean the cabinet. I love this spin brush, you guys. It's off of Amazon. I'll leave the affiliate link below, but it really takes the elbow grease out of all the scrubbing. Now, I try to get this as clean as I possibly could, but I really should have just put down contact paper. But it is what it is. It's not that big of a deal. Like I said in the beginning, both shelving units would not fit, but I did use this clear container that I also got off of Amazon. I'll go ahead and leave that link in the description box as well. As I was doing this, I really didn't have an idea of what was going to go where, but I try to make it make sense. So my sponges went at the top, my sprays and my cleaners are at the bottom. The big jugs are obviously in the cabinet itself because it's too big for the thing. And the things I don't use often or at all are in the clear container and behind the pipes. And then of course my portable washer, which had some problems fitting, as you will see, but later in the video I rectified that. Hey, if we haven't met before, I'm Celeste from the blog theroarmama.com, and I am here to help you find your roar, take back your time, and follow your passion. Now, I've been a wife, mom, and homemaker for over 13 years, and I'm here to share all the lessons and tips that I've learned with you through those years. And as I find new ways to be more efficient with my time so I can roar in other areas of my life, I'll share that too. All right, are you ready to tackle your kitchen sink? Let's get to it. I know you're tired, and the last thing you want to do is clean the cabinet under the sink. But I'm encouraging you, sis, to find that roar of energy you need. Say a prayer, do a pep talk, and get to work. Whether you're a tornado organizer like me, or you do it the neater way, set a timer for 30 minutes and devote yourself to get as much done as you possibly can. Remember, Philippians chapter 4 verse 13 tells us we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. So you can clean that cabinet. The end result is a more functional kitchen and a less overwhelmed you. And that is worth it. Go ahead and get started. You got this. And there we have it. The cabinet under the kitchen sink is now clean and organized, and I can find the things that I'm looking for. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more organizing videos, go ahead and click this playlist right here. You can get inspired and motivated to start your next project. Remember, it won't get done if you don't start, so go ahead and start.